Yeah. Do you know which one he is?
I think he's the black and yellow. I would have him give you some turns or a flare or something.
Yeah.
I'm glad we got that student and not the Cat A, because they didn't let him jump.
They didn't let him go?
Nope.
Power on, 4.
We did get a front flip, that was it. He was a handful out the door, man. His body position is for shit.
Hey, Derek, give me a flare.
It took me, yeah, he did. And it was good, but seeing he told me on the ground, he was like, do I have to do all 3 maneuvers? I said, to get through this jump, you do, yes. Well, I don't know that we're going to have enough time. That's because I spent the first 4,000 feet trying to get you to decide what the fuck to do.
All right, you're looking good in the
nice.
holding area.
Killing it.
Start your pattern at 1,000.
Yeah, I mean, he just got to do it again.
Black and yellow, right, Tom?
What's that?
Black and yellow.
Yeah.
He had his feet.
He was a little late on that pull, but he was within the
Yeah.
parameters, right? I saw you licking your lips like he's gonna have to.
Well, I mean, as long as they're starting to wave off the
Yeah.
5.5, even if, you know, I'm good. He was staring right at his altimeter.
500 feet.
At sixth grind, he shook his head no more.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was good.
He turned that in a little early.
So, see if he angles it back a little bit. Have
I'm
it angle
guessing
back to
this
the right
is
a
my
little.
guy right here in the blue and white.
Yeah, 40.
Hey, angle it back to the right a little bit, do a little sachet, and then turn left.
Have it turn it. Right
Oh, my
straight to
man's
ring.
looking good right here.
Right
Come
straight.
on,
Look
man,
at Dave
get
waving
the
over
knees
here.
and run.
You see Dave wave and go toward him.
That's good, just let him go.
Ashley, you're good right there. Don't turn.
Come on this way, dude. Turn left. Yeah, come on. Come on.
Hold
Come
it.
on.
Finish it. Finish it.
Come on. Yeah. Hands up. Feet together.
Good job. Dave is coming to you.
Hands up.